Hello everyone, this is Vinay from Learn Coding with Vinay. In this video, we will be discussing about SQL. Basically, a straightforward point that who should learn SQL, right? So, in the IT industry, if you are aware of, there are various streams you can work as, right? So, what you see on the screen, if you are planning to work or if you are planning to have your career as one of these following, then you should learn SQL. Right, those are the streams are a web developer, desktop application developer, reports developer, tester or QA, basically manual tester or automation, ETL developer, right, backend developer, database administrator, data analyst, data scientist, or production support and maintenance. Right. So if you are opting your career in one of these stream, then I think you should. Then SQL knowledge is a must. Right. Now let me move to the next image. Now, if you are planning to work as a business analyst or a domain expert or a cloud engineer, right, then SQL knowledge is it's nice to have that the SQL, right? Cloud actually is a very vast term, but if your daily task, involves databases and your daily, task involves handling data and all those stuff, then you should know SQL. So if you are a cloud engineer and working with the databases, then knowing SQL would be definitely an added advantage for you. Otherwise, it's okay. Right. And next three streams, whether you want to become a UX UI developer, whether you want to become a hardware or network engineer, or you want to become a mobile developer, right? This, if you are opting these three, then you are not you are not required to have knowledge of SQL because they don't involve any stuff related to SQL. Mobile developer at a moment, if it will be nice to have a SQL knowledge, but most of the time, mobile developers, be it iOS or Android or Flutter, that then they will be dealing with the backend APIs, right? And that APIs will in turn will deal with the databases. So there is a layer. So as a mobile developer, it's okay if you don't know SQL, right? So let me go back to again. If you are opting your career one of these, you can pause the video and read this out. Then you can you should have, you must have, I would say, SQL knowledge. And if you are opting career any one of these, then it is nice to have SQL knowledge. If any one of these three, it's okay not to have SQL knowledge at all. There are two more streams that I would like to add over here, because when I prepared this, I was not was that knowledgeable about these two, which does not require SQL knowledge. First is DevOps, and second one is the game developer. So if you want to become a DevOps or a game developer, then also probably SQL knowledge is not required. So I hope this give you a good idea about who should learn SQL. Thanks a lot, guys.